Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tutorial Tuesday and we are doing a Glam Valentine's Day makeup look. This is such a simple look, but it still pops with its glitter and color. So let's get into it. So after I did my eyebrows, if you want to see how I did my eyebrows, hit the link right above or in the description. I take my concealer from LA Girl. All products will be down below. I'm going to blend that out with my brush. Then I'm going to take my NK Makeup Sugar Coat palette and get the brown all the way at the end and blend that in from the corner of my eyelid all the way to the front. And I'm just going to make sure that gets blended really, really well. And then I also take some more and I just keep going over and over. I kind of want it to be dark, so that's why I keep, going back and forth with the blending. Next, I'm going to take this more lighter orange color and blend that in my top corner of my eye, more upper towards my eyebrow, and just blend that out on top of the brown. Next, I'm going to take this hot pink and blend that right on top of the orange. Next, I take my LA Girl concealer and I like to go straight in and just start making that cut crease. It does get messy sometimes and I'll get it on my eyelashes and then I'll try to do that little trick and it messes up everything. So I just take my brush, which I'm getting now, and I blend that out because it still has the eyeshadow that I was using before. I just blend that out and fixes it, and then I just clear off my eyelashes and I go right back in with creating my cut crease. And then after that is when I do the other side, and I let it dry a little bit, but I don't really want it to dry too much because then you really can't get the color on there the way you want to. Next, I take a brush that has no eyeshadow on it at all and blend out that little corner piece where I ended my cut crease. And I also do the front part too and just blend that part out to make it look better. Then I'm going to take that brown and I'm going to put that right on the top of the end part of that cut crease. After that, I'm going to take the hot pink and I'm going to put that all over where I just put down that concealer. Then I'm going to take my glitter stick, double-sided stick, and use the liquid side and start making the line where I want the glitter to go right above the cut crease. And I used a different utensil. This is not the one that comes with it because I wanted it to be a smaller line. Next, I'm going to take the glitter and I'm going to just put that right on top all over the line. And I'm not going to worry about it being messy or anything. That's not what I was worried about. So I just, put that all over it. Then I'm going to go in and start lining where I want the glitter liner to go. And I'm just going to fill it in how I do my regular eyeliner. After that, I'm going in with the glitter and just applying that right on top, not worrying about it being messy or anything. I'm just putting it right on top. Some people like to use tape to do this, but I like to use concealer to clean up the side of my eyeshadow. Lastly, I'm adding some eyeshadow to my bottom lid, blending that out, then adding some color to my waterline and some mascara to my bottom lashes, and boom, you have your hot pink glitter Valentine's Day look. Super simple and cute. If you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. You can follow me here and check out my Beauty Deals website. And if you're interested in any products I used, please look in the description down below. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.